I have an update on the horse with EPM. This is recorded within just a day or two of when he came in. I don't remember exactly, but this was right after he came in from when we first started his treatment. Right now we are right at 6 weeks into the treatment, and I wanted to give you a little bit of update so you could see where he's gone. You can see right here he has put on a pretty fair amount of muscle and body mass, which I think is very encouraging, that he's actually building body mass and we're not fighting muscle atrophy, which I think is a huge encouragement. When I first started exercising him, I started off with lunging him in the round pen, and it just didn't seem to go as good as I wanted it to. Staying in that constant circle going around just didn't seem like what he needed. So I've started ponying him off a pony horse so that we can work primarily in these straight lines, and he's done really well with working these straight lines. He is walking really nice, and I think the other thing is it's not as boring as going around and around in the round pen, and he's getting a lot stronger. The cadence of his footfall is much better. It's a lot more like the cadence of what a walk should be. And in the first video, he was dragging his feet a lot. That inset picture there is a picture of the tracks that we made. He's barely dragging his feet at all. Once in a while, he'll take a step where he'll drag a foot. I've been getting him out of the arena and ponying him in the pasture and also in the woods, a couple of trails that I have. And I think that's done him a lot of good, not only for getting to pick his feet up and walk, but mentally too. It feels like he's going someplace, and it seems like he's really enjoying that. And another thing that I've noticed since the beginning, there was like a worried expression on his face. I'm not sure if since it came on so quick, he just wasn't sure and wasn't confident, or what that was. But one thing I've noticed now is he seems a lot happier. He's a lot less worried. He's a lot more confident about where he's going and what he's doing with his body. So he's a lot happier with his movement. His trot still is not a good 2-beat trot, but we're going to keep working building muscle and see if we can get that better. And hopefully eventually we'll get where his trot ends up as nice as his walk. So that's an update on his progress. I want to thank everybody for asking about him, and I'll keep you informed with future updates. Until next time, thank you for watching.